It's a terrible loss. It's a loss for the dealers. It's a loss for the families who are employed by them.
It's official. Fiat is taking over Chrysler's assets, and there's not much soon-to-be former Chrysler dealers can do about it.
Go home, sell my cars. Where they come in and they say, we're going to nationalize your business and we're taking it from you. I mean, that's the way we feel, you know? I mean, this is my business that I built up. You know, they don't have any right to come take my business.
I've cried, don't get me wrong. I have anxiety attacks right now, but I'm mad. This is just, what they're doing is wrong and immoral. It's criminal what they're doing.
I had 3, I had a GM too, I got that letter too last week.
Colleen McDonald is taking a triple hit. Not only will her 2 Chrysler dealerships in Michigan shut down, but so will her GM dealership.
Today is a huge day for the rest of our lives. We are going to look back at this day and say, oh my God, what happened to the way that we live right now? It's over. It's over. If this can happen to me, a profitable business owner for 30 years, it can happen to anyone.
Just 1 month after Chrysler filed for bankruptcy, a Manhattan judge approved the last step of the deal. It was a long, hard decision after 3 grueling days of testimony from Chrysler CEO Robert Nardelli and CFO Ron Kolka. Chrysler executives say this was the only option to avoid a messy liquidation. From the way it's going, Chrysler is likely to emerge from this bankruptcy within that 30 to 60-day government timetable. Many were skeptical that that was even possible, but people are definitely watching this closely to see if GM can do the same.
Is it going to be as quick as what Chrysler's doing? Absolutely not. GM is much more complex. It's just from a size standpoint, obviously they're much bigger. The company is structured much more differently than the current Chrysler.
GM is likely to file for bankruptcy any day now at the same exact bankruptcy court. Between that and the appeals against the Chrysler decision, there's likely to be many more ugly days in court ahead. Bonnie Ghosh, The Associated Press, New York.